The dynamics and techniques of intervention in sports organizations allow for the improvement of the internal functioning of clubs, teams, and entities linked to sports. These organizations depend not only on individual performance, but also on coordination among people, communication, the distribution of roles, and the ability to work toward common goals. From this perspective, psychologists and sports coaches act as facilitators of organizational improvement processes. Their intervention can be geared toward identifying needs, analyzing conflicts, strengthening cohesion, improving decision-making, and fostering a more functional work environment. To this end, it is essential to understand the organization's structure, its norms, internal relationships, and leadership style. Intervention techniques can be applied individually, in groups, or at the organizational level, depending on the problem identified. Their main objectives include improving communication, promoting participation, managing resistance to change, increasing commitment, and facilitating adaptation to new competitive or institutional demands. In the sports context, these tools help build more cohesive, efficient organizations oriented towards sustainable performance. Intervening within the organization means working not only on results, but also on the underlying conditions, human and structural factors that make them possible.